Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mond and today we will learn and solve questions 5 and 6 of chapter 9, exercise 9.1, chapter 9 and chapter name is data handling of NCERT mathematics textbook of class 6 of NCERT mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we learn and solve exercise 9.1 questions 5 and 6 of data handling. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 5. Question number 5 is the number of girl students in each class of a co-educated middle school is given by the pictograph. Class 1 up to class 8, these are the classes 1 to 8 and number of girl students in the particular class is given in pictograph symbol. So in class 1 there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 girl students are there and one girl pictograph is equal to 4 girls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 girls, 6 pictograph girls will be 6 multiplied with 4 girls, that is 24 girls. So class 1 has 24 girls students. In class 1 there are 24 girl students. In class 2 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 girl students. Then we have to 4 multiplied with the 4 girls. It's because the one girl pictograph girls is represented with 4 girls. So 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied with 4 girls and one half of the girl, half number of the girl students, that is half of 4 girls. So that is half of 4 is 2. So 16, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18 girls. So there are 18 girls in class 2. In class 3 there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number of girls, that is one pictograph girl symbol is 4 girls. So 5 multiplied by 4, that is 20 girls. In class 3 there are 20 girl students and in class 4 1, 2, 3. 3 girls, that is one pictograph girls is represented with 4 girls. So 1, 2, 3, 3 multiplied with 4 girls. So 3 multiplied with 4 is 12 girls and half of the total of the girls is half of 4 girls. Half of 4 girls is one pictograph symbol represented with 4 girls. So half of 4 girls is 2 girls. So 3 multiplied with 4 girls is 12. 12 plus half of 4 is 2. So 12 plus 2 is 14 girls. So in class 4 there are 14 girls. In class 5 1, 2. 2 pictograph girls. So one pictograph girls is 4 girls. So 2 multiplied with 4, that is 8 girls and half of the 4 girls is 2. So 8 girls plus 2 girls is 10 girls. So in class 5th there are 10 girl students. In class 6 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 girls pictograph girls. So one pictograph girls is 4 girls. So 4 multiplied with 4 is 16 girls. So in class 6 there are 16 girl students. In class 7 1, 2, 3. 3 girls pictograph girls. So one pictograph girls is 4 girls. So 3 multiplied with 4 girls is 12 girls. So there are 12 girls in class 7th. In class 8 there is only one pictograph girls, that is one girl multiplied with 4 and half of the 4 girls is 2 girls. So one girls multiplied with 4 is 4 girls plus half of 4 is 2 girls. So plus 4 plus 2 is 6 girls. So there are 6 girls in class 8 students. So there are 6 girl students in class 8. Now we solve the questions. The questions are observe the pictographs and answer the following questions. First bit is which class has the minimum number of girl students. Looking at this pictograph table, we see that the minimum number of girl students is in class 8. That is one girl pictograph girls, that is one pictograph girls multiplied with 4 girls, that is 4 plus half of the 4 girls is 2 girls. So 1 girls multiplied with 4 is 4 girls, and half of 4 girls is 2 girls, that is 4 plus 2 is 6 girls, and 6 girls is in class 8. This is the class 8 students. So minimum number of girl students is in class 8. Now we solve second bit. B is the number of girls in class 6 is less than the number of girls in class 5th. First we have to find out the number of girls in class 6. So number of girls in class 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pictograph girls. So 1 pictograph girls is 4 girls. So 4 pictograph girls will be 4 multiplied with 4. That is 16 girls. So number of girls in class 6 is 16 girls. And now we have to find out number of girls in class 5th. In class 5th there are 2 pictograph girls. One pictograph girls is represented with 4 girls. So 2 multiplied with 4 girls. That is 8 girls. And half of the 4 girls is 2 girls. So 8 plus 2 girls is 10 girls. So number of girls in class 5th is 10 girls. And we know that 16 is greater than 10. So number of girls in class 6 is more than the number of girls in class 5th. But the question is the number of girls in class 6 less than the number of girls in class 5th? So it is false. So number of girls in class 6 is not less than the number of girls in class 5th. Now we solve third bit C. How many girls are there in class 7? In class 7 there are 3 pictograph girls. So 1 pictograph girls is represented with 4 girls. So so 3 pictograph girls will be 3 multiplied with 4, and 3 multiplied with 4 is 12 girls. So in class 7 12 girl students are there. How many girls are there in class 7? So there are 12 girls in class 7. Now we solve question number 6. Question number 6 is, in a village 6 fruit merchants sold the following number of fruit baskets in the particular season. And one fruit basket is one fruit pictograph basket is 100 fruit baskets. This is given. And these are the fruit merchants name: Rahim, Lakhanpal, Anbar, Martin, Ranjit Singh and Joseph. And Rahim merchant sold 4 fruit basket, and one fruit basket is 100 fruit basket. So 4 multiplied with 100, that is 400 basket. So Rahim fruit merchant sold 400 baskets of fruits. Lakhanpal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fruit basket multiplied with 100, that is 500, and half of the 100 basket is 50. So 500 plus 50 is 550 basket. So Lakhanpal sold 550 fruit baskets. And Anwar is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fruit baskets, and one fruit pictograph basket is 100 fruit basket. So Anbar sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 multiplied with 100, that is 100, 700 baskets. So Anbar sold 700 baskets. Martin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fruit basket, and one pictograph fruit basket is 100 fruit basket. So 9 multiplied with 100 basket, that is 900, and half of the 100 basket is 50. So 900 plus 50 is 950 basket. So Martin sold 950 fruit baskets. And Ranjit Singh is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fruit basket, and one pictograph fruit basket is 100 fruit basket. So 8 multiplied with 100 fruit basket is 800 baskets. So Ranjit Singh sold 800 baskets. Joseph 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fruit basket, and one pictograph fruit basket is 100 fruit basket. So Rahim Joseph sold 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 multiplied is 100 is 400, and half of the 100 fruit basket is 50. So 400 plus 50 is 450 fruit basket. So Joseph sold 450 baskets. Now solve first bit A. Observe the pictograph and answer the following questions. Question A is, which merchant sold the maximum number of fruit baskets? Looking at the pictograph tables, we see that Martin, the fruit merchant Martin, sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fruit basket, and one pictograph fruit basket is 100 fruit basket. So 9 multiplied with 100, that is 900, and half of the 100 basket is 50. So 900 plus 50 is 950 basket. So Martin sold 950. This is the maximum number of fruit baskets. So Martin merchant sold the maximum number of fruit baskets, that is 950. Now question number second bit B. How many fruit baskets were sold by Anbar? Looking at the pictograph tables, we see that Anbar, this is Anbar, and Anbar sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fruit basket, and one pictograph fruit basket is 100 fruit basket. So Anbar sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 multiplied with 100, that is 700 fruit basket. So Anbar sold 700 fruit baskets. Now third bit C. The merchants who have sold 600 or more number of baskets are planning to buy a godown for the next season. Can you name them? First we have to find out the number of fruit baskets that is sold more than 600 or more. 600 or more number of fruit baskets. So merchants who have sold 600 or more number of 600 more number of basket is in Rahim 400 basket. So this is not possible. Lakhan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500 plus 50. So this is also not possible. Impossible. 400. This is 500. And Anbar sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anbar sold 700. So Anbar sold more than 600. So Anbar is the merchant. Anbar is the fruit merchant who has sold more than 600. That is 700 fruit basket he has sold. And now Martin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 900 plus 50. So Martin sold 950 basket. So 9 multiplied with 100. One pictograph fruit basket is 100. So 9 multiplied with 100 is 900, and half of 100 fruit basket is 50. So 900 plus 50 is 950 basket. So Martin sold 950 basket. That is more than 600. And Ranjit Singh sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fruit baskets, and one pictograph fruit basket is 100 fruit basket. So 8 multiplied with 100 is 800 fruit basket. So Ranjit Singh sold 800 fruit baskets. And Joseph sold 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fruit basket, that is 4 multiplied with 100 is 400, and half of 100 is 50, that is 450. This is also impossible. So this is impossible, and this is also impossible, Lakhanpal, and this is also impossible. So the merchants who have sold 600 or more number of fruit baskets are Anbar, Martin and Ranjit Singh. Anwar, Martin and Ranjit Singh. These are the three fruit merchants who have sold 600 or more number of fruit baskets. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.